Hello fellow airsofters, this is Echo Squad Airsoft. I am Echo 1, aka Corbin Fool, and oh man, am I excited for today. Whew, I'm excited. This is an unboxing / review, and I know you guys are like, oh my god, another review. But you guys are really going to like this one. It's the BW 1911 R2. Now, as you can see on the box here, it says full metal body. It is blowback. It is CO2. You don't see many of those. Now I know on the box it says 463 FPS, and you guys are like, holy crap, but that is for 12 grain. And if you do use 12 grain, holy crap, this thing's gonna hurt. Now for 20 grain, it is 358 FPS. This is a licensed cyber gun weapon. Now let's get into the unboxing. So, here we go. Just open it up like that. And it has all the warranties and the owner's manual. And there's all the stuff. I'm just going to take the styrofoam out. Put the box in there. Alright. So here it is. This is all the stuff that comes with it. A box of 6mm 20 grain BBs. I would not use these because, you know, you just don't use BBs that come with the gun. It comes with an Allen wrench for the CO2 in the magazine. And the gun. So here's the gun. And you guys are probably wondering where the crap is the magazine. No, you don't have to buy it unless you want an extra one. There it is. Right there. And the giant gaping hole for the CO2. And I do have 2 CO2 cartridges right here. So I am good to go with this. Now, I got this gun at GI Tactical, which is the store for Airsoft GI. Okay, now let's get into the basics. This gun is blowback, so you take the safety off, pull the thing back, and it does have a functioning slide lock, which is just awesome. It's not like a spring pistol where it doesn't even lock at all. Or, well, they do, but some of them don't, but whatever. It does have 2 safeties. You have the ambidextrous safety right here, and the ambidextrous safety on the grip. Now, that is so awesome, I think, because if you're in a situation where you accidentally forgot to put the safety on, but you don't grab the gun all the way like I'm doing right now, and you're just joking with someone and you pull the trigger, you have to actually put force on the grip and pull the trigger. And it is double action, so you can pull the hammer back and fire. As I showed you, the slide does work. And the magazine is in the gun. It has 3 optic sights right there. That's about it. So let's get into shooting it. Alright, here we go. That's the M1911. And 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Alright, so that's about it, and I'm going to cut to a slow-mo. So this is Echo Squad Airsoft. I'm Echo 1, signing off.